Hello friends, welcome to Com Connection. So this is lecture 2 of our new unit differential equations, and in the last lecture we were done up to the solution of differential equations of first order and first degree by variable separable form. So the second is linear differential equation. So a differential equation is said to be linear differential equation if if the dependent variable and its derivative occur only in the first degree and are not multiplied together. What does it mean? That this is the general form of linear differential equation. dy by dx plus py equals to q. If the dependent variable and its derivative occur only in the first degree and are not multiplied together, यानी डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल यानी y, इसकी डिग्री क्या होनी चाहिए 1. दिस मस्ट नॉट बी स्क्वायर. सो ऑकर ओनली इन द फर्स्ट डिग्री एंड आर नॉट मल्टीप्लाइड टुगेदर. और ये मल्टीप्लाई नहीं हो रहा है, यानी y dy by dx नहीं हो रहा. ओके, सो दिस इज द जनरल फॉर्म ऑफ लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशंस एंड इट ऑल्सो हैव अ definite way to solve. Okay, so equation 1 is also known as Leibniz linear equation, and solution of the linear differential equation is given directly by this formula. This you have also studied in class 12th also, how to solve linear differential equations. So the final solution of this equation, this type of equation, is y e raised to power integration p dx equals integration q into e raised to power integration of p dx into dx plus c. Okay, so what is e raised to power integration of p dx? This is also called integrated factor. ये होता है इंटीग्रेटेड फैक्टर. ये आ रहा है ना, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ पी डी एक्स, दिस इज इंटीग्रेशन फैक्टर. सो पहले हम इंटीग्रेशन फैक्टर निकालेंगे, फिर डायरेक्ट हम सॉल्यूशन में पुट कर देंगे एंड विल गेट द फाइनल सॉल्यूशन ऑफ डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशंस. तो लेट्स सी एग्जांपल, यू विल हैव अ क्लियर आइडिया अबाउट दिस. सो हियर वी हैव टू सॉल्व dy by dx प्लस 3x स्क्वायर अपॉन 1 प्लस एक्स क्यूब y equals to sin square x upon 1 plus x cube. So firstly we have to compare this with the general equation dy by dx. ये तो ठीक है. py, what is py? What is p? p is a function which is with y. So यहाँ पे कौन है y के साथ? 3x square upon 1 plus x cube. This is p. q is the function without y. q is sin square x upon 1 plus x cube. तो pq आ गया. Now integration factor e raised to power integration of p dx equals to e raised to power integration of p is 3x square upon 1 plus x cube dx equals to, this can be solved. What is in 1 plus x cube? If this is t, then this 3x square is dt. So we get e raised to power log 1 plus x square 1 plus x cube solution. E raised to power log any value is that value. So we got integration factor as 1 plus x cube. So integration factor भी मिल गया, p भी मिल गया, q भी मिल गया. बस अब पुट करना है y e raised to y integration factor y into 1 plus x cube equals to integration of q is sin square x upon 1 plus x cube into integration factor dx plus c. नाउ मैनिपुलेट करना, इंटीग्रेट कर सकते हैं इसको हम 1 प्लस एक्स क्यूब, दिस इज ऑल्सो 1 प्लस एक्स क्यूब, कैंसिल कर दिया. साइन स्क्वायर एक्स कैन ऑल्सो बी रिटन एज 1 माइनस कॉस 2x अपॉन 2 cos 2. अब डायरेक्ट इंटीग्रेट कर देंगे एंड वी गेट द सॉल्यूशन. So this is how we can solve linear differential equations. Next comes linear differential equations with constant coefficients. So what are linear differential equations with constant coefficients? यानी हर एक डेरिवेटिव के साथ कोई कांस्टेंट हो. जनरल फॉर्म इज a naught d n y upon dxn. This is the derivative, this is the nth derivative of y with respect to x. So this is a naught is a constant, a naught dn y upon dxn plus a1 dn minus 1 y upon dxn minus 1. Similarly, this is up to the nth term, a n into y equals to 0. So this is the linear differential equation with constant coefficient. General solution, basically not general solution, general equation, general linear equation with constant coefficients. So a naught, a1, a2 up to an are all constants and q is a function of x alone. This is not 0, sorry, this is q, this is a function of x alone, and this is linear differential equation of nth order with constant coefficients. So this can also be written as d by dx. d by dx can also be written as capital D. So क्योंकि अब हम हर बार d n by dx n d n minus 1 by dx n ना लिखें, इसलिए we have the small notation for d by dx. This is capital D. D square by dx square is d square. Similarly, this pattern is followed up to any number of derivative. So the symbol d is differential operator. This is also called differential operator, must remember, or simply an order. क्योंकि order बता रहे हैं, simply an order, it can also be said as an order. Okay, so this linear differential equation can also be written as a naught dn plus a1 dn minus 1 up to a n minus 1 d plus a n into y. यहाँ पे हमने ये सारा ब्रैकेट में ले लिया और y को बाहर कर दिया. इनके साथ y भी आएगा ना, d by dx into y, dy by dx, d square by dx square into y, d square y by dx square. So y is taken in outside the bracket. This is equals to q. So this can also be written as function, this is function of d. So function of d into y equals to q. The operator d can be treated as an algebraic quantity. इस d को हम as an algebraic quantity भी consider कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, मतलब जैसे इक्वेशन होता है ना एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स, वैसे इस d को भी वी कैन कंसिडर एज एन algebraic क्वांटिटी. ओके, सो d म्यू प्लस v इक्वल्स टू d म्यू प्लस डी वी. यहाँ पे इन्होंने शो कर रखा है कि हम d म्यू प्लस v को d म्यू प्लस डी वी भी कर सकते हैं. d इंटू लैम्डा म्यू कैन ऑल्सो बी रिटर्न एज, वेयर लैम्डा इज अ कॉन्स्टेंट, कैन ऑल्सो बी रिटर्न एज लैम्डा इंटू d म्यू. Similarly, d raised to power p, d raised to power q into mu can also be written as d raised to power q into d raised to power p into mu, or we can also write d raised to power p plus q into mu. So these are the operations of d as an algebraic quantity. Next is auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation क्या होती है? The equation obtained by equating to 0 the symbolic coefficient of y is called the auxiliary equation. जो हमने यहाँ पे इक्वेशन निकाली ऑपरेटर की फॉर्म में, अगर इसको 0 से हम इक्वेट कर दें तो यह ऑक्सिलरी इक्वेशन है. ठीक है, So there are certain steps to find auxiliary equation. First is replace y by 1, not 1, yes, replace y by 1, replace dy by dx by m, replace dy by d square y by dx square by m square, and so replace d raised to power n y by dx raised to power n by mn. By doing so we get an algebraic equation in m of degree n called auxiliary equation. आगे एग्जाम्पल देखेंगे कैसे निकालते हैं. So what are the rules for finding the complementary functions? So when roots of auxiliary equation are real and distinct. अच्छा, यहाँ पे हमने auxiliary equation निकाल दी. अब किसी भी लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करने के स्टेप्स होते हैं. फर्स्ट इज टू फाइंड द ऑक्सिलरी इक्वेशन. नेक्स्ट इज रूल्स फॉर फाइंडिंग द कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री फंक्शन. Okay, since it is a bigger topic, we will study how to find complementary function in the next lecture. Thank you for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.